Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Diwali is just around the corner and this is a time for celebration, gifts and sense of happiness. We also love to refurbish our kitchens and homes at this time. In today's video, I will share a few smart and helpful kitchen appliances and items from Borosil which can be a great addition to our kitchens this Diwali. There is an amazing Diwali sale going on my Borosil website and all the products are available on huge discounts. Also, every customer will be entitled for one silver coin for every purchase of ₹5,000 for every order through myborosil.com. So do check out myborosil.com for all these amazing products. Links are given in the description box below. Today's video is made in collaboration with Borosil. Now let's get started. Borosil has been known for its premium glassware and my family and I are really fond of these products. First are these Vision glass set of 6. These are clear plain glasses which look premium and must have glasses for your kitchen. They are very lightweight and classy looking glasses. In the same range you get this beautiful plain and clear classic glass teacup set of 6. These are made in perfect size and enhance the tea time experience. Another favorite of mine and most inquired item in the comment section of our videos are these clip and lock Borosil containers. They come in various shapes and sizes. These are made of borosilicate glass with airtight lids. They are 100% leak proof, airtight and can be safely used in microwave, oven, fridge, freezer and dishwasher. These are scratch resistant and made of non-porous glass which will not absorb stains or odor. Great for all dry and wet food storage. These clip and store containers can help make your kitchen more organized and clean. This is a Borosil Nutrifresh which can be a great help in the kitchen. It is very lightweight and compact in size, that means it takes very less space in the kitchen and is also travel friendly. It comes with 2 jars, tall one for blending and small for grinding. The jars can double up as cups by using these lids which come with the Nutrifresh. Borosil Nutrifresh blender can be a great cooking companion as it can blend, puree and grind in seconds with its 22,000 RPM pulser. It is easy to clean and a helpful appliance for small daily kitchen work. It comes with a 2 years warranty and on-site service. Next comes kids' favorite jumbo waffle maker. It can make crispy and fluffy waffles at home in no time. The best part is that it can make 4 waffles at a time, so no more waiting for yummy waffles. It is 1100 watts to cut down on the wait time and its non-stick plates make cleaning up a breeze post your meal. The stainless steel top cover makes it look premium. Temperature control knob is given to set the brownness of the waffles. It automatically shuts off once waffles are done and for that light indicator display is given. It comes with a 2 years warranty against manufacturing defects and on-site service. With this jumbo waffle maker, you are sure to reach out for this appliance every time you have a leisurely breakfast in mind. This is Borosil Best Air Fryer. This is 2.8 liters made of ABS body. 3-in-1 appliance which can be used to fry, grill, bake and roast. This is compact in size and takes very little space in the kitchen. The size is good for a small family. The non-stick fryer basket comes with a separate non-stick tray which makes cleaning easier. 2 separate knobs are given for temperature and time setting. It cooks food using 90% less oil using quick fry technology. You can make samosas, french fries, bake pizza or cake, roast chicken, make garlic bread and a lot more. It has a 30 minutes integrated timer with auto off function. Very nice and helpful appliance for every kitchen. This is another amazing appliance by Borosil to make yummy and crispy sandwiches at home. It is 1500 watts with non-stick plates with deep ribs for extra crispy grilling. It has a clip locking system for easy storage. It also comes with an oil drip collector tray to keep the counter space mess-free. The sandwich maker can prepare up to 4 regular size bread sandwiches or 2 jumbo bread size sandwiches. It is powerful and prepares sandwiches in no time. This Borosil Mega Jumbo 180-degree sandwich maker can help you achieve the perfect crunch on all your sandwiches with its deep ribs plates. It comes with 2 years warranty. One of the most important things in the kitchen is cooktop, and finding a good cooktop can be challenging. This is the Borosil Flare Gastop cooktop which I have been using for the last 4 months. It was very easy to install. It comes with rubber anti-skid legs which keeps the cooktop sturdy. This is available with different combination of burners 2, 3 and 4. The gas chula is made of 6 mm toughened glass that gives it a clean and classic look. The brass burners make cooking fast and fuel efficient. Ergonomically designed knobs help to easily adjust flame intensity, and the sturdy pan supports ensure that your cookware remains steady throughout the cooking process. The gas stove is very easy to clean and maintain. The gas stove also comes with a cleaning pin that makes it easy to clear clogged burner holes. And the best part is, there is a lifetime warranty on the glass. All these appliances and glassware come with good and safe packaging and hence are great for gifting purpose. Give yourself and your loved ones a perfect Diwali gift from Borosil. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.